Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance in 2025. So in order to do it, you just have to launch your Binance mobile application and then log in into your account. Now, if you haven't already created your account on Binance, you can use the link that is given down in the description in order to save some money on your transactions, and you will also get the sign up bonus if you use that link. So once you are on your Binance app, you need to simply tap on this search bar in the top and search for BTC. Now once you type BTC in the search bar, you will see a bunch of different pairs like BTC/USDT, BTC/FDUSD, etc. So since you want to use USDT in order to purchase BTC, so in the support section, you need to simply tap on BTC/USDT pair. It is one of the most popular pairs and it is also very easy for you to trade. So here, once you tap on it, you will see its current chart and the current price of Bitcoin. So here you need to tap on the buy option in the bottom and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here, you need to make sure that buy is selected in the top, and then in the bottom of it, you will see limit written here. So by default it will be on limit and I want you to keep it on limit. So underneath limit you will see the pricing. So it will show you the current pricing. So you can see that it is still and it is not fluctuating like you are seeing in the right hand section. It is because with the limit order you can actually decide your own price, meaning that let's say you want to buy Bitcoin at $1 lakh, so you can simply type here the $1 lakh or whichever amount that you want to buy your Bitcoin on. So after entering the amount, you just have to simply enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin, and then you need to just simply tap on the buy BTC option. Now once you tap on it, your order will be in this holdings section or it will be in the pending section, and it will be completed when the Bitcoin price comes to the price that you have entered over here. So once your order is completed, your transaction will be completed and then your USDT will be basically converted into your Bitcoin, and you will be able to view that by tapping on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So here you will be able to see your Bitcoin, and then you can just easily withdraw it, transfer it, or even hold it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.